What's up guys, this is Hems. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share to you another home photography ideas using matchsticks, clips, and safety pins. How to form to create amazing still life photos with feelings and emotions. By the way, please subscribe to my channel and hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say road